Hey guys, I'm Jasmine. Thank you for singing with me.
Okay, I'm fine.
Come to me and I shall give you peace. Come to me, lay down your head.
What did I feel? That's our place. Say the thing that I've never said.
I'll keep you from the world outside.
I will never let you go.
I'll be the thing you dream about.
Come to where you belong.
I adored you before I laid my eyes. I laid my eyes on you. L'amour toujours. I just can't take my eyes, can't take my eyes off you.
Follow me where the river wind. Tell me I belong to you.
Feel the grass crumble beneath your feet. Set me free and let me loose.
Take my hand, for it yours to keep.
Shackle my spirit to you.
You are mine, like a melody.
Come to me, you always knew. I adored you before I laid my eyes. I laid my eyes on you. L'amour toujours. I just can't take my eyes, can't take my eyes off. I adored you before I laid my eyes. I laid my eyes on you. L'amour toujours. I
Can't
just
take my eyes, can't take my eyes off you.
I can't. I loved you before I laid my eyes. I laid my eyes on you. L'amour toujours. I adored you before I laid my eyes. I laid my eyes on you. L'amour toujours. I just can't take my eyes, can't take my eyes off.
I let you before I laid my eyes. I laid my eyes on you.
L'amour toujours. I just can't take my eyes, can't take my eyes off you.